Hi guys, so today I'm going to guide the fire alarm's going off. I'm ready to go, guys. That was unexpected. So as I was saying, hi guys, I'm going to be eating this pancake and review it to you. That's lovely, it's got sugar in it as well. It's got sugar in it. It's really good. That's the only pancake kind I like. If you like the pancakes, like and subscribe and comment down below. I'll be back to show you another one. Like and subscribe, comment down below if you like them, share the video if you want, and bye. See you in the next video for pancakes. Hi, in the part 2 pancake with another pancake in the same day. If you're hungry, you can pause that video and then go and get a pancake or do something else. Pause that video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see me, call me on Facebook and please subscribe. Go on Jaden Captain. Search Jaden Captain, and then and then it'll be my face. be back. I just went for a toilet. So, yeah, this is what the last bit. Sorry about my dad, he just was asking me if I want any more and I said no. But I'm going to save you for this. Like, subscribe, I don't care. But stay tuned and stay awesome.